welcome to Gus 2 Wheeling. The Honda CB350 this month turned 50 years old. Just out for a little ride today. It's a little brisk, but it has gotten to up to 55 degrees today, but that's only going to be for about an hour or so. Then we got that sunset at 5, so out here at Bowling Park just riding around. No games going on now. November, I guess they're done with Little League football, soccer games they have out here. Yeah, I thought I'd take the CB350 for a little birthday run. 50 years old CB350. Wow. Amazing. VIN plate, it's got a manufacture date of 11/71. It's a 1972 model year, so seems like they start the model years like in the fall. And yeah, CB350 was born in 11/71 and put in a crate and then on a ship, left Japan and came here to the United States. And how I came about purchasing this, best friend of mine, he's got a neighbor down the street, lives down the street, and called me up, said, hey, my neighbor's got like this real old Honda motorcycle for sale. I said, all right, I'll come take a look at it. So went down, saw it. It was in rough shape. The gas tank was rusted inside. Battery was dead. Couldn't hear him run, this, that, and the other. So I gave him an offer, you know. And he said, no, that's too low. I said, well, okay, no problem. A month later, my best friend called me back up again and said, hey, neighbor down the street says they'll take your offer. I said, cool. So went and bought it, and then I found another gas tank, had it painted to match the red, as well as the side covers, and had the carbs rebuilt. Another friend of mine helped me with that. Had that done, and had to replace the gas cap because the other one was no good that was on there. And that's about it. Been riding it ever since. Happy birthday, CB350. 50 years old. Man. Yeah, no baseball games in November. Season's over. I like coming back here. Let's go down here, see how the road construction's been going on. Well, they're coming along. Yeah, that's going to connect down to Route 7. Cool. All right. All right, well, thank y'all for stopping by to watch the video. Honda CB350, 50 years old. Happy birthday, CB350. Click like on the video. Post any comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Y'all take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video.